All right, so this is the National Weather Service Missoula planning briefing for Thursday, December 26th. Basically, we have three weather systems to think about: Friday, late Saturday and Sunday, and Tuesday, Wednesday. These first two systems will be more of a light snow event, progressively getting a little bit more in terms of snow amounts, and the Tuesday, Wednesday system will be a lot wetter. Looking at the matrix, basically summarizes chance for some light snow tomorrow and Friday, more of a moderate impact for north central Idaho. One trend to kind of give you has been a little bit higher snow amounts than what we had forecast in our briefing on Tuesday. Sunday, more of a north central Idaho, west central Montana sort of event, and then the Tuesday system that will extend into Wednesday, more of a pass level snowfall and mixed precip in the valleys. So here's a timing graphic for this Friday storm. Generally, starting around daybreak. Some places like Lemhi County, southwest Montana, maybe later in the day. There is a chance that there could be some showers that align with I-90 tomorrow afternoon, Friday afternoon, west central Montana. So that will be something that we'll have to watch out for. As far as amounts, like I said, generally less than an inch in many places, but central Idaho, we're looking at 2 to 3 inches. Pierce, 1 to 2 inches. Lowell to Lola Pass, Elk City. Here's a timing graphic for late Saturday into Sunday. So in north central Idaho, we're expecting snow to develop sometime in the evening, and same thing for western Montana. Although closer to Butte, it could arrive a little later by daybreak Sunday morning. And then in Idaho, Grangeville, Orofino, western Clearwater County, the accumulating snow will probably end sometime mid-morning, while the mountain locations will linger throughout the day. In western Montana, the ending time, it's going to taper off in the northwest, taper off in the evening in the kind of like McDonald Pass, Homestake Pass, Sunday evening. It may actually quit in the Butte in the I-90 corridor a little earlier than that. And then Salmon and the rest of Lemhi County, it may just kind of taper off but linger in some of the mountain passes. As far as amounts, a little bit more amounts for like west central Montana, because this system that's coming in is a little bit more moisture than Friday. When I was looking at the model soundings, they seemed fairly moist, so should be able to see some accumulating snow. Looking at the Tuesday, Wednesday storm, it's still kind of far away. Some of the newer model guidance that came in today kind of backed off on this system, while the European guidance continues to show kind of a wet system associated with a subtropical plume of moisture. So our confidence right now is it's going to be more of a mountain snow event, and with the bulk of precip falling throughout the day Tuesday through Tuesday night, we're going to have to keep looking for a chance for some mixed precipitation. I wanted to show you an evolution of moisture with time. This is a product that allows us to see the amount of moisture in the atmosphere in a column, and it also tells us, is it moister than average? So let's take this front in the Gulf of Alaska, and with time, the moisture and the subsequent energy is going to move over the Northern Rockies here on Friday. That will give us kind of a very light snow event. And then another kind of a plume of subtropical moisture moves into the northeastern Pacific later Saturday, and that will eventually move over us. So it's kind of above normal moisture. So that's the second snow event for us in the Northern Rockies, light snow. And then later in the week, this high kind of builds, and subtropical moisture moves around that ridge and will push over us Tuesday into Wednesday. There's been a lot of timing differences with this moisture. There is a lot of uncertainty on the evolution, but the confidence is more of a mountain snow event, maybe some mixed precip in the valleys. If you have any questions, give us a call, 406-329-4840.